guys, welcome to another episode. Sorry, I got like a lot of sunlight in my eyes right now. Or video, whichever one you want to call it. Before we start this video, I'm just gonna let you guys know that videos are gonna be start being dropped on Saturdays at noon, because working construction full time and then trying to rush home to upload a video, it's becoming increasingly more difficult. So we're gonna start doing it on Saturdays where I actually have some time, and most of my filming is on Saturdays, or if I'm on a day off during the week and I have time, I do a little video. But just wanted to pass that information with you guys. But today's video, we are going to Kevin's shop. I gotta go do an oil change on the Mugen EL. It's long overdue. Replace a map sensor, and we're gonna install the AM xseries wideband on this so we can see exactly how rich or how lean we're running with it. And hopefully the map sensor helps the little pesky issue of like a misfire like feel. But it's not actually a misfire, it's just I've read online and a lot of forums saying that D17s when they're doing that, it's due to the map sensor. So let's cross our fingers and hope that fixes it. And as you guys can tell already, man, this weather just doesn't want to stop. This weather does not want to stop. We have ourselves another snow day. I cleaned most of the snow last night, but I just gotta clean the snow off the car. And you guys are gonna bear with me in a second. Just gotta put my camera bag in the EL. Cars are warming up. Alright guys, yeah, I was fiddling with the camera for a second. It got all blurry. I don't understand why. But yeah, I'm going to clean the snow off the Acura EL, move the Escape, pull out the Acura, pull back in the Escape for Ashley so she could take the kids out afterwards. And we're going to head our way up to Mercer's and get all these things done. So enjoy a brief clip of me cleaning the snow off the car. That's all done. Car's ready to move, and we're ready to rock and roll. We'll get our coffee and head on to Mercer's. So I'll see you at Timmy's drive-thru. Alright guys, we're in the drive-thru, just waiting as usual. There are Canadians that will order like 30 freaking things in drive-thru, and that drives me completely nuts. But also there is one more piece I forgot to mention. I got it back from FIA Customs. So the back trunk piece under the plate, I don't know if you guys can see that, but we got it hydro dipped in carbon fiber. I decided to go with hydro dipping because it is a cheaper alternative than getting it done in carbon. Like I did the front grille trim. That costed roughly around $200 Canadian to do. And that's a lot of money just to do a little trim piece. So I decided to hydro dip it, and of course FIA, they do amazing work. So thank you Remo, thank you Habib. You guys are number one. And on the plus side, we got some good news. We're about to move. Let's hope this RSX orders quick.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Great success. We got our coffee. Now onwards. Alright, you handsome people. We made it to Mercer's. As you guys can see right over there. Let me zoom in for you guys. The address is 745 Gary Ray Drive and Mercer built. Mercer built. Guys, telling you, you guys want badass cars built? See the homie. See the homie. I can't stress this enough. Does amazing work. And for all you haters who think he only builds race cars, don't worry. The team's got something for that thinks he only builds show cars. Don't worry. The team's got something for you this year. Mercer's been wrenching away like crazy. Garage 16's been helping the team out all year, and he's gonna continue to be big supporter of the team, big supporter of the channel. Guys, you want amazing parts? Garage 16. You want a guy to put those parts in if you're in the GTA area and whatnot. Mercer built does great work all the time, and yeah, can't stress it enough. So we're just waiting for Kev to pop in. We're gonna move some cars around and roll the EL in, start the oil change, the map sensor and whatnot, and yeah, just a nice little video with, well, it's probably gonna be a little long, tends to be sometimes, and you're gonna go from there. Look who showed up. Look at him. And he brought me a coffee.
Yo, what's up?
You fatso. You bought 2 big special donuts for you?
No.
Liar. Don't even say one's for me, bro. Don't even say it. This is cinnamon buns.
Not a special donut. It's a cinnamon bun.
Oh, I hate you.
They're amazing.
They're so
Want
good.
Coffee or what?
Yeah, I have my coffee. Thank you, sir.
Dude, traffic was horrible.
I know.
Traffic was horrible on a Saturday.
A Saturday morning. Alright, I'm gonna bring this thing out back.
Cold, dude.
Didn't you see my special weather report on Instagram?
No.
You're gonna love it.
I haven't gone on the ground.
He hasn't gone on the gram. Alright, I'm gonna bring this thing to the back and we're gonna start pushing away some cars and allow him to eat his cinnamon bun.
Yeah.
There goes Matt's EP3 all on its own. This thing sounds so nice. First car to be moved. Like, look how beautiful that car is. And we got Mercer bringing the L into the garage, bleeding the coolant system on that beautiful 9th gen that's Craftworks now. Oh, beautiful. Okay guys, so Mercer's here at work. Well, let me zoom out. We started right now with the oxygen sensor for the wideband, and that is right there. So basically it was a 12?
What?
The nut that was on the header manifold?
No, that's a 19 or 19 in millimeters or in standard size 3/4.
Alright.
Yeah, we took it out and we just installed the wideband O2 sensor.
Comes with the clip, and I gotta thank Time Attack Mark II, which is my brother-in-law Diogo, for hooking us up with this wideband for Ashley's car. And we just gotta fish it somewhere along the engine bay and run it into the firewall and go into the pod. So we're gonna start with that. We're gonna drain the oil, let everything drain out. Guys, I wanna know, what oil are you guys using on your setups? Because on Ashley's, we're using M's oil. And this is great oil. We've been using it for 2.5 years. And on the Civic, like I've mentioned before, we're running Penn State. It's very high in zinc, and it's a fantastic oil. A bit pricey, but you get your money's worth. I don't have engine oil breakdown. I don't really burn oil. The only reason I lose oil is because it just shoots out of the open spot on the valve cover, which this season, finally fixing it, running a catch can system. But that's for another video. We're gonna jump back on this and get you guys some more coverage. All right guys, so if you guys are not familiar with changing your oil, there's the drain plug, and there's the oil spewing into this beautiful, beautiful snap-on oil, whatchamacallit. Yeah, that's what I said. So we're gonna drain this bad boy, oil nice and black, and crunch time. Continue our ranting on the leaves. Alright guys, so Kevin started fishing the harness through the headlight area, coming along.
Took down the splash shield.
Took down the splash shield. Running along the top part of the, what do you call that, the frame?
Yeah, the front horn.
Okay, the front horn. Running along to there, and now he made a small incision right here on this boot where the hood latch cable is.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. And we're gonna feed the harness for the wideband through here into the body of the car, into the inside, so that way there's no stress on the harness and rubbing against the actual frame. It'll be protected by the rubber. So good one on Kev.
Yeah, keep in mind too, if you guys are gonna do something like this, and you're gonna run it in a wheel well, if you're a lowered car, make sure to zip tie it up high so it doesn't get tangled by the tires or come loose and you rip your wiring out. So keep that in mind, guys. Zip tie it up high.
Alright, so I stepped out. I went to go get some pizza for Kevin and myself, and as I was driving away, someone was actually heading their way to the shop, and that's our homie Alto. And as I've been gone, Kev's already filling up the liquids inside the Mugen EL, and we got the pod on. He's just got to wire up the main power to it and everything, and we're kicking ass. We're kicking ass, and we still got to do the map sensor, which, fingers crossed, will allow us to start going back into VTEC and stop fuel cutting and all that bull crap. So fingers crossed. I'm gonna go have some pizza with Mercer. Alto's gonna have some pizza, and yes. Oh, that was great.
Sucks on his.
It sucks on his. Holy crap! Look at the size of this thing. Holy shit! Look at that. Wow. Alto, I bet you're looking at him like, wow, it really is big in these hands.
It really is huge.
He's gonna stay quiet. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys. So that hydro dipped carbon trim piece for the trunk. While Kevin's wiring up the wideband, I was doing this. So it's the hydro dipped. Yeah, that's what it's called, bro. It's called a wideband.
Wideband?
Wideband. W-I-D-E band. Wideband. Anyways, as we were saying, so thank you FIA Customs for this beautiful hydro dip piece that you guys did for us. Looks fantastic. I'll give you a little bit of a wide shot. So we're gonna carry on. We're almost done. The wideband is all wired up. It's like, look how much nicer than the EQs it looks. The only reason we haven't switched out that one right there is because I need a little piece that I had to steal from the new digital oil one to use on the wideband. Damn you, Diogo. You gave me fucking pieces not all included. But nonetheless, it looks fantastic. And turn the key. Look at that. Oh, signal's on. Fantastic. As always, Mercer's like a wiring genius. Does great work. You guys already know that. Alto, where are you? Where's the shop to go to, brother? Where's the shop to go to? Cocksucker's trying to play hide and seek with me. Alright guys, so we're on to the final piece. It's pretty much doing the map sensor, and as you guys can tell, the map sensor is right there. So when we did the white manifold swap, and so you guys can know, to run the D17 throttle body, you got to turn it on its side, right, Kev? Because usually it's on the top.
Yeah, you have to run it upside down, so that's what we're doing.
Yes, so now it's back there. So now Mercer's gonna jimmy those magic hands of his in there, take out the single bolt. I believe it's an 8.
No.
10.
It's an Allen key.
Oh, this one's an Allen key.
Yeah, we decided to go fancy and put an Allen key. And damn, we're fucked. Now to get it back there. Yep.
I have a plan.
Yep.
But we'll let you know the plan in a second. Alright guys, so map sensor's done. Basically all we did was, well, Kevin, I'm not gonna take no credit on it. He took off the intake, got his little magic hands in there, took out the bolt. That's
the old one?
The old crappy. Hopefully this is the issue that we've been having, so that way when we upgrade the fuel system and everything's gonna be top notch, but hopefully this right now eliminates the bullshit that we've been doing. 666. Oh shit, eh?
Sign of the devil.
Sign of the devil. And since we're at it, I recently made purchases of these dress-up kits from Rick at Garage 16. Where are they? Right there. They're the Garage 16 exclusive brand.
Horrible lighting. How people are gonna see that?
I know. Hold on, let me go to a nicer lighter one. There we go. The neochrome ones.
Still horrible lighting.
No, it's not horrible lighting.
Horrible lighting, man.
You're
horrible lighting.
You're
Guys,
horrible.
if you think that Paul's lighting shit, just say it. Just say it in the comments.
So yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it. Spice it up. We took out the NRG purple ones. We found that the Garage 16 ones are nicer, smaller, and more flat faced. So we're going with those, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty much a wrap for today's video, guys. Alright, there we go. Sorry about that. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for tagging along as always. Got some much needed service done on it, and oh snap, I just realized, bro.
What's that?
Behind this shoulder.
Oh shit.
Oh, they don't know about that.
No, they don't.
The Canadian world holding record of the fastest all-wheel drive Civic. And it's at Mercer Built shop. So stay tuned for that. That thing, like, Mercer's not even on camera, he's already smiling because he knows the damage this thing's gonna do. But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. For me, Mercer, and our good friend Alto, just send it. Peace.